good.
Hi, welcome to Push the Button.
Hi, we're so glad that you guys have joined us for this entire year,
Yes.
and we kind of can't
Wait,
believe
we
it's
should say
over.
who we are. We should say our names first.
They already know who we are
No,
because
this is
they've
our
been
first
watching
show.
for a whole
You
year.
have to sign on with your identity. Say who you are. Say who
Oh
you
my
are.
god!
Who will they know? They will.
Okay.
Okay, so why don't you guys do an intro? We'll start over here.
Hello and welcome to
Oh, bi-weekly?
By the Box. I don't know
By the
where I got By
Box?
the Box. Okay.
What do you think happens in the afterlife? I don't know. I mean, it's called afterlife, so I assume it can't be that different than just life.
I think it's just like real life now, just there's more snacks.
Yeah, that's kind of what I just said. That's okay.
But we think very much alike.
Yeah, it's true.
But they were great singers.
Oh,
So
wow.
he sang this song with all of his heart to her as she passed away. I love that story.
Do you know that same thing happened on an episode of China Beach?
You like my...
If anyone knows what the heck anything called China Beach is,
It was a show in the 90s. Or maybe the 80s.
if anyone knows what the heck China Beach is, put it in the comments because
You just know what John's talking about.
I know. I'm like,
You know if this is
he
a real
keeps
thing.
doing this. Every episode he's going to say some obscure reference from some obscure decade.
I'm
You don't have to film us the entire way. That's gonna get really long. It'd be like a Warhol movie, Pride, by Andy Warhol. It's an 8-hour movie of us walking in the Pride. Well, oh yeah.
Let's do it. Push the button. Hit it.
There you go.
You did it.
I really enjoy it.
I've also, my mustache is soaked up half the drink.
I love that. Like literally, I'm watching you drink this, and it's just
all over me.
dripping down. It's absolutely fantastic. I love every second of it. So,
The hazards of being a bear and loving to drink. So.
And besides, I've always wanted to walk down the middle of this road. Now I can say I did it.
Because that's your takeaway.
Well, the second half was naked, but I'm working my way up.
You go, Priscilla. Everyone should have a dream. I love you.
And I forget what role she played, but she sang
No.
My
That's
friend
right.
Needles
I'm
while I was
done.
soldier.
No. So we need to do one of
You
those
do it
things
to
where
me.
fast
But it-
motion, his description of everything.
Do it to me. No.
And I love that we're having this cock and something crazy is going
Wait,
on.
you
behind
just said
us.
we're having this talk.
You know what?
I
No
hear
one heard that.
But the good thing is, an hour later, I'm like, oh man, I need a drink.
No, there you go. Just fold it up and start sucking. Okay.
And we'll-
And that, kids, is how you have sex.
Fold it up and keep sucking. In case you were taking notes.
I love hearing the door open and hearing. It's like the count from Sesame Street or something.
You're not stabilized right now, actually. With the blue light.
Oh.
Oh! You good?
That's fun. I love that. Okay. It's like you're on a roller coaster. And I'm in control.
Okay.
All right. I'll make it all right.
Food.
Food.
Okay. Did you notice we froze and so did Gigi?
She literally went.
That's awesome.
If you could eat something and then it would make everything taste wonderful, no matter how icky it was.
I wish there was something like that for life. You could just take like a drink or a bite of something, and all of a sudden everything seemed amazing. Yet it wasn't addictive or illegal.
You know, I bet we could find one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's try.
All right. We'll push the button.
You missed.
I hit it.
Do it again.
You know, when people actually watch this show regularly, they're gonna be like, "Did Jeremy just eat during every shoot?"
I'm the one who's fat. You're the one that eats all the time.
I know.
How does
I'm
that
literally
work?
like just sitting there, like, I feel very interesting.
Well,
It's like everything he eats goes right into my stomach.
Okay, we need to drink more when we do the show. I'm having a lot more fun today than we usually do.
We normally do.
We do have a lot of fun, actually.
And we're drinking out of different glasses this time.
Yes.
Which is weird.
You know what? I had so much fun this past year.
It was so wonderful. I really, really do. I kind of miss it. Like, those first experiences are all what it's about.
I kind of want to do it again.
You wanna?
You could.
Rewind back to the beginning.
Here we go.
Let's do it. Hit the button.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, I'm gonna call cut. That's just over 10.